Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on POCO M6 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on our device. First one is at the bottom, then next one is right here on top side of our phone, and also phone call speaker right here. Then, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Now let's try it out. So I can confirm that the sound is coming from all of the speakers, one at the bottom, phone call speaker, as well as this speaker right there. And that confirms that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.